We find that these classes are pretty much the reason why kids end up coming into school. They know that they've got something hands-on that they can work in. We want it to feel like they have a job and a responsibility, and most of them really feel like that's something they excel at and that they're happy with.
Yeah, I think it's great to have kind of a different class, something more hands-on too, especially because a lot of time we sit in a desk and listen to lectures, but this is just a different thing.
Skills USA is our heartbeat for our students. We've won the state skills championship in sheet metal for 13 years running. We're pretty proud of that fact.
The state competition is pretty simple. We take like a test and then we do our thing. But overall, I'd say it's the experience that really kind of gets you, because you see all these other people competing and it's kind of like, wow, I didn't know this competition existed or this one. And you meet people along the way, and it's a really cool experience to also just see all the companies and businesses out there who are investing in kind of our career.
In our area, the construction field is huge right now. Everything is booming. We're getting sheet metal work, we're getting welding work, we're getting machinists. Manufacturing is huge in Nevada right now. It's a big area that they can move into and really start a career for themselves.